Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing well. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to leave a class in Google Classroom in right away. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. First of all, go to classroom.google.com on your browser or simply open your application and make sure you are signed in. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Classroom. Simply open it and sign in to your account. From the home page, locate the class you want to leave. This is the home page of the Google Classroom. As you can see, here is the classroom I want to leave. On the top right corner of the class, click the three-dot menu. As you can see here, this is my class. I want to leave this. To leave the class, simply click on the three dot and you can see the option called Enroll. Simply click on it and confirm it. The class will now disappear from your dashboard and you are no longer enrolled. And that's it. That's how you leave a class in Google Classroom in just a few clicks. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and see you in the next one.